Hello. The building over there is an abandoned Subway restaurant on Southwest Boones Ferry Road in Wilsonville, Oregon. So let's take a look at it, shall we again? As you can see, there would have been a Subway sign. How interesting is that? Here's what the interior looks like. Everything is nearly empty. This is actually a modern looking Subway, not with the yellow wallpaper. I've always wanted to film an abandoned modern Subway for a while, and it's finally happening. I want to say this location opened around 2012, I think. Then they ran out of business around late 2023 or early 2024, which is presently from to be closed. I've seen this Subway never in operation a while back. If you look straight ahead, that's the kitchen. Nothing much left to be seen. There's a random box on the left side. Window is inside. The soda fountain had to be over there. I don't even know if this place is for sale. Hopefully another eatery takes over someday. I think this Subway closed down because there's another one just 5 minutes away, right across the highway. There are just too many of them, no wonder they're going under. Oh look, you can see the classic floor tiles where the counter used to be. My local Subway still had the exact classic floorings. Got some quartz laying on the floor. That's weird. Oh well. I think that section on the left was the additional dining area. Picture frames should have also been on the wall. I think we're going to be seeing more Subway closures in the near future. They'll probably be like the next Squeeze knows. The industry changes for good. Over here are the bathrooms. I like the green door color. Looks pretty cool. I wonder why they might have removed the bathroom signs. That's just strange. Hopefully the bathrooms are clean. Looks like it did it at the left side. Interesting. We're in the back of the building. Anyways, I rarely have food from Subway. Their sandwiches are pretty good. It's tempting to go there often, but I'm not doing it. There's a feature with the wallpaper. Got circle bakers in the dead end. Why would they set it up there but not in the kitchen? Here's what the kitchen looks like. The walk-in cooler is still intact, but it's empty inside. Sink on the left is still there. I think the water is turned off. Who knows? Here's gonna be the last shot. And that would be it. That's Screen Wrapper for real. Make sure to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you on the outside.